हेलो हाय फ्रेंड्स, आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अंकित मलिक फ्रॉम गुड़गांव माई शॉप डील। आज एक और प्रोजेक्ट का वीडियो लेके आपके सामने आया हूँ दैट इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन द ऑफिस स्पेसेस और इन द प्री लीज्ड ऑफिस स्पेसेस इन ओखला फेज 1, so DLF Prime Tower is one of the premium project which you can have the look upon. So let me take you throughout this product. I am currently on the 7th floor of this project. So beautiful lobbies with the beautiful paintings which you have inside the lobby. And these are the lightnings. The lightnings in each lobby are connected by a sensor based lightnings. So we have a total of 12 lifts inside the campus. We are currently in Tower C. So these are the 3 lifts for Tower C. So this is the lobby of Tower C. So थोड़ा सा मैं आपको एक प्रोजेक्ट का ओवरव्यू दे देता हूँ. What is this project all about? This is in Okhla Phase 1 by the DLF. Since you know that DLF is a corporate hub for the office spaces demand for the Fortune 500 companies, this is the emergency exit staircases. So you can see the width of the emergency staircases in this project. So total अगर हम एरिया की बात करें इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर, so they have the structure of ground plus 8 story. So ground is dedicatedly to the entire retail spaces, and after ground plus 8 story are the offices, lockable and pre-leased also, which you can either invest in the pre-leased office spaces which has been taken care by the Simply Work. So Simply Work has taken almost 45,000 square feet of area. So 4,50,000 square feet of area inside that. So this is the 2 lakh square feet of area which is currently available in the 7th floor. So Simply Work has taken this area. If you want to take it, so it has a very big area with the 2 side openness. So let me show you the thing. So this is a unit of 2,000 square feet. So this is the view from the balcony which you have. This is Okhla Phase 1. So let me take you the view from the another thing. So this is the entire campus, the entire green area, entire landscaping. So this is the facade of the building. So they have the ground plus 8 story. Every floor has the area of 75,000 square feet office spaces. So 75,000 multiplied by 8, total area is 6 lakh square feet, which you have inside this campus of DLF Prime Towers. So it is mostly leased out. Currently only a very limited area is available for the pre-leased option and for the lockable units. So you have 2 level of basement. ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे सारा का सारा आपका रिटेल है. टोटल 4.82 एकड़ का कैंपस है. 4.82 एकड़ के अंदर -2 लेवल की बेसमेंट पार्किंग है, जिसमें अप्रोक्सीमेटली 750 कार पार्किंग का प्रोविजन है. एंड दे हैव द मेटलर्जिकल ऑप्शन ऑल्सो. सो अगर आप मेटलर्जिकल ऑप्शन यूज करते हैं तो आपकी कार पार्किंग डबल हो जाती है. So this is a building which you can have a look upon. So ground floor is dedicatedly only for the retail area, where you can buy the retail shop, start your own food courts or something like that. And from the first floor to the 8th floor, you have the office spaces. So first floor and the 7th floor is already leased out and in talks with the leasing with the Simply Work, where you can buy the office spaces. Minimum area is 2,000 square feet. Or if you want to buy it, you can also buy it the area as per your own requirement, which is approximately of 2,000 square feet. So where I am currently in this office space has captured the area of 2,000 square feet, which you can invest, which you can buy, which you can take it on from DLF. Because अगर हम rental की बात करें, so this is a property which has a zero rental, which has a zero risk, because it's a ready to move in product. So it has a proper visibility, it has a proper area which you are seeing it. It's the actual thing. So it's not you are seeing something which is not been there. So these are the lockable office spaces which are present in the area of the DLF and Prime Tower offices, and it is in Okhla Phase 1. So these are the lobbies which you are seeing it here. So it is the maintenance of the entire project is done by Cushman and Wakefield. So the maintenance is also by an international brand which is Cushman and Wakefield. This is the lift lobby for Block C where you have the 3 lift lobbies, the emergency staircases. And this is the view where you can have the options of taking the lockable areas of the offices. Either you can start something of your own, or you can buy the office space which has already been leased out and taken by the Simplywork, and they will further lease it out to the another brands, the same offices. So this is the block C where we are currently, where you can see major companies have taken their offices. It's a fully functional campus, so it's not that you have something, everything is operational, everything is live. So these all lights which you are seeing are the sensor based lights. So some people are taking the offices and doing the modifications like this. You can see, you can take it, design the office the way you want. So some of the people used to take it for the self use, like you are the doctor or the interior designer, or you have some CA, and this is the way which you can have the designing. So you can take the things and design the office the way you want. So visibility is neat, visibility is very clear. So this is one of the office space which someone has taken and they're designing as per their own. This is the view from the office. So every area from the office has a very clean and the green view of the entire Okhla. So in the similar way, you can also take it and design the way which you want. It's totally the lockable offices which you have inside the campus. And let me take you to the another. So this is the floor plate which you are seeing it here. So they have the minimum area and the lockable and the area which can either you can use of your own, or you can use as for the pre-leased options also, which they already have in the Simplywork. So this is the DLF Prime Towers, Okhla, Phase 1. So if you are living in Delhi, if you are a doctor, if you are a CA, if you are an architect, or if you would like to start something of your own, so you can use such type of offices for your own requirement. So it can be leased out to the certain brands which you can have the thing. So let me show you the another offices which is on the same floor and which is open as per requirement. Let me show you that also. So this is another office which is of area approximately 750 square feet. So let me show you from outside. So this is also the area which you can take it for your self use, or you can take it for your self use and then you can put it on for the lease to some brand. So you can expect a very good rental from this lockable office spaces, because it is a ready to move in. See the view from the area of 750 square feet of office. So you are seeing the entire clean view from your office with a pure ventilation. सामने जो आप देख रहे हैं, that is a Radisson Blu, Faridabad and Godrej South Estate, which you are seeing it from here. So this is the construction of the Godrej South Estate going on in the same Okhla Phase 1, and the Radisson Blu which is in front of you. So well ventilated office, well designed area. So this is the washroom for the which you can use it for the for your guests and all that. This is the reception area which you can design, and this is a sufficient area of 750 square feet which you can invest in with the DLF options, because DLF offices are very rare to find. They have a very limited stock and they come rarely by the option, because for example you have already see the Cyber City, how Cyber Cities have grown up and how they come up in the entire market scenario. So the rental of the Cyber City approximately goes from 150 rupees a square feet to 200 a square feet of the office spaces, and it is entirely leased out. So nothing is available in Cyber City. So DLF के साथ invest करने का जो option है, that comes rarely with the brand. So this is the another lobby. This is the another lobby which you can have a look upon. Beautiful designed lobby, beautiful aesthetic look of the lobbies, beautiful aesthetic towers which are being placed. So we are just going on the first floor to have a look of the areas. So the entire maintenance of the unit is done by Cushman and Wakefield. So Cushman and Wakefield is doing the maintenance of the entire project, and they have left with some of the very limited inventories where you can invest. So you have the minimum area starting in this project from 750 square feet. If you most of the other people also have taken the lockable offices in this project, plus majorly the area has been already leased by Simply Works. So Simply Work further leases the area. So this is the another office which you can have a look up. This is taken by someone, and they're designing similar to their as per their own requirement and as per their own portfolio. So if you are in the Delhi or in the nearby area and if you want to invest, so this is the time which you can invest with the DLF. These are the lockable offices option. So let's go to the first floor to have a look of the bigger size area. So this is the lobby which you have inside it, and all the paintings, all the artwork. These lights are also the sensor based lights. So once you walk, only these lights open, and once you move out, these lights will stop. So due to that, your maintenance of the project will remain maintained, and that is the beautification, that everything is very thoughtful, everything is very thoughtfully designed in this product. So DLF is unbeatable, DLF is unmatched, it has no comparison. So currently we are going on the ground floor to show you the how outside area looks, how the campus looks, and then I'll just able to take your queries, your questions and all the things. So currently we are in Delhi at Okhla phase 1. DLF Prime Tower में थोड़ा सा एक फटाफट रिमाइंड करा देता हूँ आपको once we finish it, so that you get an idea that what are the inventories which we have available in this project of DLF Prime Towers Okhla phase 1. So अगर आपका उसके अलावा भी कोई क्वेश्चन हो, अगर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए कुछ भी ऑप्शन देखना हो इन द DLF, इन द लॉकेबल और द प्री लीज्ड ऑफिस स्पेसेस, so this is one option and they are left with a very limited inventory. So very soon all these inventories will be gone out. If you want your own personal space in the DLF campus, this is the option where you can buy, you can invest for the higher rental plus capital appreciation also. So this is the way which you can work it out inside the project of DLF Garden City. So the lift is about to reach the 7th floor, and then I'll take you directly to the ground floor to show you how the retail shops, how the outer area of the DLF Garden City, of the DLF Prime Tower phase 1 looks alike. So just within 2 to 3 minutes we will be on the ground floor. So 4.82 एकड़ का कैंपस है, ग्राउंड पे रिटेल है, -2 लेवल की बेसमेंट पार्किंग है, टोटल जो ऑफिस स्पेस का एरिया है 6 लाख स्क्वायर फीट है, ग्राउंड पे जो रिटेल का एरिया है वो 75,000 स्क्वायर फीट है. You can invest in the ground floor ready to move in retail. You can invest in the office spaces starting from 750 square feet for self use, for lockable spaces, and for the pre-leased office spaces you have sufficient car parking of the -2 level of basement. We are in Okhla phase 1 Delhi, and it is a ready to move in project by DLF. The maintenance is done by the Cushman and Wakefield, and another thing, they have the 12 lifts inside the campus. So 10 lifts are in tower A, B and C, and 2 other service lifts. So it's a well connected product. It's very near to your Noida, it's very near to your Delhi, it's inside the Delhi, and it's very near to your Gurgaon also. So if you're working as a self-employed, so you can look up the office spaces in this area and you can have it your own investment here in these office spaces. So let me take you to the ground floor so we can have the look of the actual green area inside the project. So we are currently on the 7th floor. Going to the ground floor. Ground. So lifts are also of Thyssen inside the project of DLF Prime Towers. So we have 12 lifts inside the project, and all are operational in the blocks, block A, block B and block C. This lift is very well connected with the basement, so you park the car inside the basement and come directly to the ground floor or whatever the floor you have for your offices. So currently we are going to the ground floor. So this is how we just enter with the ground floor. So this is the area on the ground floor. I am taking you ahead on the ground floor so that you can have the look of the green area and the retail shops on the ground floor. So DLF knows how to bring the brand inside the campus. DLF is the only brand which does not need any introduction. DLF is the brand which brings more than 400, 350 Fortune companies' offices at Cyber City. If the DLF is not there, it's very difficult to bring such all brands inside the campus. So let me take you through the ground floor where we have the options of the retail units. So this is the model which I already told you of Prime Towers. So this is the overview which I already told you. This is the entire green area of the center green which you can invest. A 5 level of security, 5-tier security is there inside the campus. And let me take you in the ground floor retail shops. So the 6 lifts are here. So these are the 3 lifts. These are the another 3 lifts, well maintained and taken care. This is a beautiful lobby. Beautifully aesthetically designed lobbies. This is the lift lobby of Tower B. So you have all the things here. This is a beautiful view of the entire campus, of the entire lobbies. And let me take you the most beautiful part of the campus, the ground floor retail. तो अगर हम ground floor retail की बात करें, so this is the entire ground floor area for the retail which you can have inside the campus. This is a total green view of the park, which is almost 3.5 acres. And these are the ground floor and the retail shops which are ready to move in, ready to occupy. And a very, very big green area, water bodies and landscape green inside the campus of DLF Prime Tower. So I'm just giving you the another practical view of the project from outside also. So you can have a look upon the entire campus. Let me take you to the green area also. So these are the ground floor retail shops where you can invest, you can bring your brand, or you can invest in the ground floor retail also. So it's a corporate hub and offices where more than 100 brands are present there inside the campus of different companies. I'll share the details in the presentation with you. And this is the centrally green area which you can have inside the DLF Prime Tower. So see the beautification, see the landscaping. It's called a drip irrigation. So the landscaping, the greenery. DLF buildings are very well maintained. Very aesthetic design and very well maintained. I am just showing you the another final view of the project. And so this is DLF Prime Tower Okhla Phase 1. If you want to invest in these prime towers, so we have the retail shops, we have the lockable and pre-leased office spaces which are available inside the campus. So please contact my shop deal of any of the query. This side Ankit Malik, आपका host और दोस्त signing off. The minimum investment in these this project starts from 1 CR onwards, and it is a ready to move in project. So you have zero risk, and DLF does not come again and again for such and good options and inventories. So contact us, discuss your requirement, and we will give the best solution as per your requirement. Thank you so much. Stay safe, take care. मिलता हूँ आपको in the next video. Thank you so much everyone.